I've got some home.
Oh, yeah.
If you're getting standing though,
Yeah.
Is it standing?
Yeah. I always have trouble with the battery, don't I?
Going
Battery's going low.
Is it?
It should last though.
Yeah. You can show Mum and Trisha what they've missed.
Yeah, what they've missed. They'll be able to hear all this, you know.
Oh yeah. Well, they might land up.
Yeah, they might.
I thought that was a flaw.
Oh, yeah. They'll be able to turn the sims, won't they? We always do that, don't we? Oh, yeah.
It's difficult to do that still.
Yeah, yeah.
I've got a tripod, but the sky pod.
Sky pod. Yeah, sky pod. Yeah. Yeah, a bit.
All I can see is this thing flashing.
I saw that.
I didn't see any of that time.
Actually, I should zoom in really, shouldn't I?
Zoom in about half a mile.
Yeah. Maybe I could. You can't zoom in without stopping it. Maybe I should stop it. I should do it in 2 parts.
Well, there might be a little pause in a minute.
Yeah.
After when there's a pause, there sometimes is. Right
yeah.
now, perhaps. Zoom in. Part 2.
I can see it better now.
Hey. Oh, War the Worlds music coming up. Oh, we'll better just see it again.
Yeah.
See the highlights.
Yeah.
Limited tries to put another shot in. Stiff arm.
I'm just trying to put this glove on.
Have you got your glove on?
Yeah.
Have you got sufficient glove?
Yeah, I got sufficient glove.
What whistling going on? Is that people?
A lot of whistling going on like that. Yeah, people make funny noises. Did you? No, I mean up there.
I think the haze seems to have lifted a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Should be good ground finale.
Yeah, should be quite a good ground.
They say the best ones to do.
Yeah, they do that.
This is a pretty little pause, this is.
Pretty little pause.
flashing for?
Red light. It's a yellow light.
There's a red light on this side.
That's that's just showing that it's working.
Oh.
What's that noise, isn't it? Is it?
I don't think so. It's in the music.
Yeah.
It's on the flunkers.
Just
Think
run
about
on
the
top Yeah, yes it is. Yeah, those people up there.
We should have brought that step ladder actually and put it on that.
Yeah. Step ladder.
Yeah, then you've had a steady rather than having to hold it like that.
So you want to hold it for a minute?
Right. I'll try to do it still. Wasn't it? Really, this could be the finale. The battery run out. Whoa! Music's getting louder than the fireworks now. It's the whistlers again. It's a hedge light or something. Backpacking.
No, it's Livingston's feeble attempts.
Oh, feeble attempts at rivaling
Right.
Masters. This is the finale, isn't it? Tell by the music. Can I get it all in? That's a problem. This is when you get the wide angle now. Whee! There's another one. Whee!
No, you can't see him.
No, I probably can't. Quick last look at the big firework on the screen. Oh, there's one there. Well, they got to get the last word in, didn't they? That's from Limited Sports Group. Look at them. They had to be last, didn't they?